Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the thermostat on this 2003 Dodge Ram 2500. Procedures will be similar for a lot of Ram models from 2002 to 2008, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. Slide a drain pan under the radiator and open the petcock. Drain enough coolant so that the coolant level is below the thermostat, which is where the upper radiator hose attaches to the engine. Then close the petcock. Now you'll detach the upper radiator hose from the engine. Depending on the type of hose clamp, use a flathead screwdriver or pliers to loosen the clamp. Slip that end of the hose off and move it to the side. Use a ratchet and 13mm socket to loosen the two bolts securing the thermostat housing. Remove the bolts and the housing. If needed, use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old thermostat. We'll be installing a Murray Plus thermostat rated for 203 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the OE specifications for this vehicle and engine. Alternate temperature rated thermostats are also available depending on how you use your truck. So ask your parts professional at O'Reilly Auto Parts what thermostat option might be best for your repair. Install the new thermostat in the same orientation as the one you removed, making sure the seal is firmly seated. Reattach the thermostat housing with two 13mm bolts you removed previously. Use your torque wrench and 13mm socket to tighten the bolts to 200 inch-pounds. Reattach the end of your upper radiator hose to the engine and secure the clamp. Remove the radiator cap. Start the truck and let it warm up to operating temperature. With the engine running, add coolant as needed. Watch the temperature gauge to ensure there's no overheating as a result of air trapped in the system. With the engine at operating temperature, once there's plenty of coolant in the radiator, it's safe to put the cap back on. Turn off the engine and let it cool. Check the coolant level again and top it off if needed. Close the hood and don't forget to pull the drain pan out from underneath the truck. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to see all of our new content. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. We'll see you again soon.